Hi friends, welcome back. Another fine Friday here in Southern California. Today we are in an Icon Bronco. Specifically, this is a 1968 Ford Bronco, highly modified and fully restored to the specs of a old school edition Icon Bronco. This is number 95. We're getting close to 100. Yay! This truck has a very timeless, classic vibe to it. It's this really nice light blue, no metallic. We're running the Wimbledon white trim on the grille inset, hardtop wheels, dash, and other tidbits and details. We are running the optional chrome bumpers, the Icon swing away spare tire carrier assembly, which, by the way, took us forever. We finally designed one of those to fit your stock vintage Bronco stock chassis. We did do the high output reverse light on that tire carrier. And on the inside, of course, custom materials. We are running Douglas Aircraft multiple, a 4-way stretch vinyl, so it touch and feel is that of leather, but it's way more durable. No care and feeding required. The inserts on the door panels as well as the seats is done in a really nice textile, not from the automotive industry, but from the outdoor patio furniture world, which means it has actually higher UV and durability ratings than automotive acceptable stuff. We did a leather wrapped hand stitched steering wheel. The client chose for the wheel to be painted Wimbledon as well as the steering column. We have the analog looking power windows, so that's the double tap, all windows down, double tap, all windows up, or single tap, simple actuation for window down and for up. Of course, you've got the hand wrapped and stitched armrest to hide the kind of ugly plastic vinyl factory finish. These old school door panel designs, as well as the ones in the cargo, have these cool machined aluminum strips that have a 2-setting output LED that's diffused. So you've got a high setting, which comes on when the door is open or dome light is excited. And then you have a nighttime setting, which is a very low output for just kind of nice ambient nighttime situation. We're running our 2-stage carbon fiber heaters in the front seats. We are running the tuck and tumble and removable 2-passenger rear bench seat. Everybody gets 3-point belts. Steering column is collapsible for safety and tilt for ergonomics. We ran the Hargarden square weave rugs, hemmed in that same Douglas vinyl. It's a modular design. So they have Dynamat under the carpet, then rubber under that. They're all edge bound and hemmed, so you can't see what's going on. And then they're removable, and then you reveal the polyurea coated, powder coated body floor if you're going to go out and get muddy and get her a little nastier and dirtier. Headliner is a really nice color. I believe it's the first time we've used this finish. It's the Alcantara sort of synthetic suede, nice and durable finish. We're on the old school visors, which we stole from a Land Cruiser. They're FJ40 visors. I'm still looking for something even better that matches the old school vibe, but the stock Ford ones and the related big monstrous plastic ugly shell thingamajigger that hides the factory wiper system is just not going to cut it. Being old school, of course, the old school thematic on dash design, more retro gauge pack, the backlit LED overdrive button, the chrome and machined aluminum in-dash AC vents for the Gen 4 climate control vintage air AC. And then, of course, you've got lights, wiper, fan, vent, and temp. Those I designed to look like the stock switchgear, but they fit our modern, better quality, more accessible for service switch bodies. And then you have the center LED light that creates a nice down glow on them at night. Oh, my friends at Pioneer, buddies, come on, get your supply show back on track. Still can't get our beloved NEX head units. They're real difficult to source right now. So we ran our second favorite, which is the Kenwood. This is the higher end audio system, what we call the elevated. So it has the remotes, it has the amp and the bass, and of course it has CarPlay, tetherless or tethered, Bluetooth, CD, HD, AM, FM, yada, 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 yada. Mechanically, of course, well, I guess not, of course, that's what we're talking about. This is the Gen 3 Coyote 5-liter. As found in the current production Mustang GT. A little bit higher output of torque. Otherwise, just an uglier plastic cover that I don't really like. But you gotta roll with the punches and stay current. We're running the Curry axles. Those are Dana 44 based in the front, Dana 60 based high pinion in the rear. We're running the ARB locking differentials in the front and rear with a dedicated air compressor hidden midship up high in the chassis. And of course, we are running our standard equipment Hydro Boost assisted Icon Brembo brakes. This truck features the restrained, using the term lightly, mandrel bent stainless steel exhaust system built by our friends at Borla. We're running a bespoke to Icon with hardened shaft and other internal upgrades, but robust and super simple Ford AOD 4-speed automatic with overdrive, which in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case, 1310 U-joints, JE reel shafts to the Dana-based axles. So I'll shut up now, other than to say thank you so much for your time and your attention. I really appreciate the community's support, as does my whole team of craftsmen and women, as well as all of our supporting suppliers, 95% of which are here in the US of A, as we continue to struggle to keep the ethic of quality manufacturing and heritage skills set alive in America, which I'm starting to feel like I'm one of the few. It's kind of sad, but we have fun doing it. So we will see you guys again next week. If you have any questions, you can call us old-fashioned style. You can ring us at 818-280-3333. You can find us on Facebook or Instagram at Icon4x4, and our website is of the same name. All right, be good. See you next time.